Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to dive into something a little more personal for me. Back in the day, I struggled a lot with my weight. I was insecure and felt bloated all the time. I hated looking in the mirror or going clothes shopping simply because I knew nothing I actually wanted would fit. I decided to actually put in the effort to take care of myself and be disciplined. Oh boy, being disciplined and consistent is a mental strength which is the most difficult thing to master. I kept stopping my diet or my workout plan after 2 days. Max. I know that's so horrible. But everyone reaches a tipping point where they want to become the better version of themselves. And that's exactly what I did. I wish I had taken before and after pictures of myself on the scale to show you guys the difference. But I did not, unfortunately. However, this video is to help those who are in similar positions to my old self. I am not my target weight just yet, but I am definitely getting somewhere. In this video, I will tell you everything I have done from morning to bed, time to lose weight every day. This isn't a detailed video, but just a general overview. If you would like access to my actual workout and daily planner that I follow to achieve results, leave a comment down below and I will soon release the timetable on Etsy. So every morning I would wake up at about 10 a.m., the earlier the better as you are more productive. But before eating breakfast or anything, I would have a cup or detox water. Not plain water, but a detox water. This would vary. Sometimes I would have lemon water or ginger cucumber water, but I would not have plain water on its own. Throughout the day, I would always keep a water bottle on me, so I would force myself to drink it. Drinking lemon or detox water in the morning on an empty stomach is brilliant to aid weight loss. First of all, you will feel more fuller and have a lighter breakfast. Second, it improves digestion, therefore feeling and looking less bloated in my case. Moving on, throughout my day, I would often add chia seeds to my water. They look something like this. These little seeds are amazing and high in fibre. They kept me fuller for longer, stopped my cravings, and made my metabolism faster. It's crazy how many benefits I have received from these seeds. I make sure to have at least a cup of chia seed water daily. They are so fun to drink as well. It's like a mini bubble tea but with seeds. And water. Moving on, I do not drive, and I am an adult, which means I have to pay for TFL. Which is so annoying, so I would rather walk everywhere. By switching from public transport to walking, I have got more steps in and burn more calories. Depending on where you live, if walking is appropriate for the journey, I would strongly suggest walking as you are losing weight without even realizing. Just plug in earphones and get walking. Walking fast also aids weight loss and gets your body more active. This is a form of cardio. Every evening from 5 p.m. onwards, I would go to the gym and do a 30-minute minimum workout. Sometimes I would do longer than 30, depending on my mood, but I always made sure to get at least 30 minutes. I would go 4 to 5 times a week, and since I am trying to lose weight, I have only stuck with cardio for now. This is the treadmill and the stair machine for me. Doing this as well as eating 2 meals a day has helped me drop a few kgs in a short amount of time. No, by 2 meals, I don't mean starving myself, I mean eating good portions twice a day. So in the morning, about an hour or so after I've woken up, I will have a good breakfast, and my last meal would be at 7:30 p.m. after I have finished the gym. If I am hungry, I will have a healthy snack or bar once throughout the day, or nuts to help me feel fuller. Since I love sugars, this was a tricky one to cut out, so I started small by having 1 chocolate bar at the end of the day just to fill my sweet tooth. It would start off with a full bar, to half a bar, to a bite. This has helped me knowing I wouldn't have to completely cut off sugars in one go. I always suggest starting small in anything you wish to do. So after the gym, dinner, and chocolate snack. I stop eating completely after 7:30 p.m. This is called fasting, where you stop eating for a long period of time. 12 to 16 hours of no food allows your body to start burning fat when there is no calories left. Therefore, you are losing weight by doing this. In the beginning, I hated it. I would always go bed hungry and starved. But you get used to it, and after a while, once the results start showing, the little bit of hunger won't harm you anymore. One way I coped with the hunger in the beginning is going to bed more early. By going to bed more early, you do not feel the pain of hunger, and instead, when you are sleeping earlier, you burn even more fat and allow your body to restore. so going to bed early is a great way to stop the hunger. So guys, this was a general rundown of my day during my weight loss journey. I hope by me sharing this, I am helping someone out there. Remember, being consistent and disciplined is the key for this. This is a skill I am actively practicing every day. If you would like the link to my full 1-month weight loss journey plan, leave a comment down below and I'll share it soon. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, take care, babies.